welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tamisha, and today I'm sharing with you how I got these faux locks. Like, get all the way into this look. Yes, ain't she serving? Yes. So I used this Cuban twist hair. I got it at my local beauty supply store, and I used about 3 to 4 packs. So when you fluff out the hair, you end up using less of the Cuban twist hair to wrap around your own hair. I wanted shoulder length locks, so I'm not going to extend my hair. I am just going to wrap the hair around my own twist. Okay, so to insert the hair is real simple. I just open up the twist, insert the hair so it's about 1 inch on one side and the rest on the other, and then I am going to start twisting. Now, do not start twisting tight. Twist snug, but don't twist tight, because as you're going down the hair, it's going to get tighter and tighter, and trust me, just save yourself the headache and don't twist it too tight. Now, let me explain to you my parting situation. I was going for more of a freeform look, so I'm not starting at the very base of my hair, and I'm also, as you see, my parting is non-existent. So yeah, it's really cool, really cute. It turned out really cute. It's all in the name of experimenting. I love the style at the end. If you want your parts to be cleaner, do them cleaner. If you want yours to start at the beginning, at the base, start it at the base. Just don't twist tight at the beginning. Please don't. So once I get about 1/2 inch left, I flip that part upward, and then I begin to wrap upwards to complete the lock. So when I have 1 inch or 2 of hair left for wrapping, I will just kind of like fray it and start wrapping individual pieces. That way it just locks the whole thing in place and you get your faux lock. I like this method mainly because it doesn't involve burning the hair. Palm rolling the hair at the end catches the strays and just seals everything in and gives the lock its shape. So I'm going to take you through the process once more, just a little sped up. First, you fluff the hair. Then you insert it in between your twists. You start wrapping your hair, but don't wrap too tight. Towards the end, you flip the hair up and wrap upwards. And then at the end, you wrap tiny pieces around each other to lock in place. And then you palm roll to create the shape. When you're done, you'll have a head full of realistic looking faux locks that look beautiful. I mean, look at them. It's so easy to take these down and pain-free. Overall, I had a lot of fun with this hairstyle, and I hope this video encourages you to try it out for yourself. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next video.